Welcome to Agro Adventure. Let's see how to grow fresh mushrooms using paddy straw and spawn. Pasteurizing paddy straw. Pour boiling water, 80 to 90 degrees Celsius, over paddy straw and keep it soaked for 30 to 45 minutes. This process kills harmful microbes and prepares the straw for mushroom growth. Draining and light drying. Transfer the straw onto a tray or clean surface to drain excess water. The substrate should be moist but never dripping wet. Layering straw and spawn. In a clean polythene bag, place the first layer of paddy straw. Then sprinkle mushroom spawn. Repeat layering of straw and spawn until the bag is filled. Proper layering ensures mushrooms spread evenly across the substrate. Tying and making holes. Tie the top of the bag tightly and make a few small holes on the sides. These holes allow air exchange, which is essential for mushroom growth. Keeping in dark and humid room. Place the bag in a room with no direct sunlight. Mushrooms need humidity and shade to grow well. Spray little water outside the bag daily to maintain moisture. The bag should feel damp but not wet. Mushroom growth and harvesting. In 7 to 10 days, small white pinheads, baby mushrooms, will appear through the holes. Within 2 to 3 weeks, mushrooms grow to full size and are ready for harvest. Harvest gently by twisting, not pulling, to avoid damaging the mycelium. Perfect. With these simple steps, you can grow your own mushrooms at home. Like, share and subscribe for more agro adventure videos.